Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a Reddit user, or if you look at Reddit and you see that people talk about all sorts of subjects, if you don't know what Reddit is, it is pretty much a center hub of internet search and answers from users all around the world. It is kind of an interesting place to be, and kind of the number one place where a lot of people ask a question and then you'll get tons of answers from users. One of the things that is interesting is when you start searching about Windows 11 on Reddit, and especially how to improve Windows 11, how to make it better, what actually the users want. And it turns out that pretty much the number one thing that users are asking on Reddit when you ask them, what do you want in Windows 11? Well, it's very simple. A lean operating system. They want Microsoft to make Windows 11 leaner. They want to have all the bloatware removed. They want to have a faster system. They want to have better performance. It's as simple as that. And so I guess if there is one thing that Microsoft should be looking at is maybe also, because I mean, you have the feedback of where people are also asking things like that. But Reddit is also another place where Microsoft, I think, should be looking at to understand what people want in the Windows 11 operating system. They don't want necessarily that much change in the way it looks and feels. They really want mostly that all the unnecessary fluff that was put in is gone, and they just want it to work and be fast. So, a lean operating system, basically. We know Windows is huge, and there could be a lot of work done to really make Windows so slim and like just blazing fast if they really wanted. But that is pretty much the number one request from users when you go to the Reddit and look at the different answers people are giving back about in making Windows 11 better. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.